Hello. Welcome to our restaurant.
Hello. Thank you.
Are you looking for your table?
Yes. I cannot find my table.
No problem. I can help you.
Thank you.
Your table is here.
Great. Thank you.
Please sit down.
Okay.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes. I am ready.
What would you like to eat?
I would like a burger.
Would you like fries?
Yes, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I want juice.
Sorry, we have no juice today.
Okay. I want water.
Good choice.
Thank you.
Your food is coming soon.
Okay.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Do you like the food?
Yes. It is very good.
Would you like more water?
Yes, please.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, please.
What dessert do you want?
I want ice cream.
Sorry, the ice cream is finished.
Okay. I want cake.
Good choice.
The cake is nice.
Would you like coffee?
Yes, please.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you.
Are you finished?
Yes, I am.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
Here is your bill.
Thank you.
Can I help you?
No, thank you.
Okay,
The food was great.
thank you.
I like this restaurant.
We are happy.
I will come again.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
What food do you want to order?
Comment your answer below. Ready to speak English with confidence? Watch the full lesson on Easy English Daily now.
See you in the full lesson. Bye-bye.